Hi, this is Colayla video number 6 about Sem creation and type Sems. As we saw in our earlier videos, to create one kind of Sem, you first need a temple. So we created this temple news, then we defined the shapes of a news, C/title, C/text, two shapes, and each shape has a type, in this case type text, and out of this Colayer creates a form to create a news. So if we see again what Sems are involved in Sem creation, then it is the temple Sem first, temple underscore news, with two shapes and types. These types correspond to type Sems. So the text types which we saw corresponds to type underscore text. Then we create a form Sem, and the view of this form Sem is the form which you see in the browser. And finally, when we submit that form, then the values in the form are transferred into the final Sem, the news 1, 2, 3. So let's have a closer look at the type Sem. The type Sem has a do property, and the do property defines how the type looks like in the form. So in the do we have to define the HTML to generate the form. For this we get Colayla variables from the server. We get a field name, which corresponds basically to the shape name here. We get a description, which corresponds to the description of the field, and we get a value. The value we only get in case of edit. So if we see that in the example of type underscore text, you will find type underscore text in sol base, which we have used in the beginning. In there you will find sol form, and in this sol form we find type text here. So if you open type text in edit, you will see the code which is generating the HTML of the text area. We have on top a span tag with the description here. So that's this one. Then we define a placeholder, and then we write out on the second line the text area with that placeholder. So the placeholder is the text in here, plus the name, field name, this is important for submission, plus the value in the text area. So let's define our own type. Let's define a type checkbox. So we edit this checkbox and we get view of the type. Okay, so here Colayla we have to put in some code, and I have already prepared the code for it. It's basically again a div tag. It's input type checkbox, name, field name, and then behind the description. So let's copy paste this into the Colayla of this type Sem, and then let's add a checkbox to the news. So shape breaking. So let's say when we have breaking news, then we need a checkbox to indicate that this news is breaking. So we see that C breaking, and we go back to our form, and here it is, our checkbox. And when we submit that, it will be in the temple. So more feature of types we see in the next video. Thank you.